Well.
Wow! I'm flying!
I'm flying.
There's no sensation that's quite as sensational as flying.
Thrilling, fulfilling, and higher educational as flying.
It's inspirational
And recreational trying.
way up there in midair to be touching the sky.
Which I guess is why there is no feeling that's quite like the feeling of flying.
Bumping your head on the ceiling of what's up above. It's so appealing, I'm reeling, am I death-defying? Flying I love. There is no high that's as high as the high I am trying. Flying high.
What's that sound?
I'm not sure. It's getting louder though. We'd better float down.
Look up, Charlie! It's a fan! It's sucking us up! Try to float down!
I can't.
Try, Charlie, try!
I can't.
It's gonna cut us to bits!
Think positive.
I can't!
Think